Good day. Let's start with PubMed. Now that you registered uh, for a PubMed as a PubMed user, we can start with our search. So the first thing that we're going to do in PubMed, I'll explain the Boolean operators to you. There will be a research process after the PubMed, and there will be a literature review, and we'll do a search. So we are going to use Boolean operators to combine our search or your search, and that's database logic. The first thing that you need to do is to identify the key concepts of what you need to search. And then you're going to search these concepts one by one, and we're going to combine it with our Boolean operators or, and, or not. If we are looking for articles on obesity and diabetes, so we are looking for both of these concepts in our article. We combine it with and. As you can see, then this part here, that will be the articles with both of our concept in it. When we use or, it can only be one concept in the article or the other one or both. So or equals more. It will broaden your search. And when you use not, you will exclude something. So you're looking for articles on adults, but not teenagers or adolescents. So then you will use not. Adults, not teenagers or adolescents. So let's start. So you all know how to go to the databases and click on PubMed, and now you can see you are registered and we can start to search. So we're first going to do a mesh search. So if you find no results with your mesh search, you can use an all field search. So with a mesh search, that's medical subject headings. So it's more clinical for your diseases like hypertension, cardiac arrest, and so on. So that's your first search. So click on advanced, and now we can start to do a search. So we are going to search for heart diseases, and we're going to search for two different drugs and the comparison between them with our heart diseases. So remember to add your treatment like drug therapy, diet therapy with your search. So you will type in heart diseases / drug therapy and click on add. And then in the query box, you will see there's your query, heart diseases, drug therapy, and click on search. And now you can see there's your results, quite a lot. But this is only our first concept and our first set of to search. So now click on advance again to go back to your search options. And can you see there's our set 1 of this search. Now we can do a mesh search. So on the little drop down, click on the drop down and click on mesh terms. Now we're going to do our drugs. Our first drug will be enalapril. So you can start typing it in and then there will appear suggestions. So choose your one and click on add. And once again, it will appear in your search box and click on search. There's your results. Click on advanced again and go back to your advanced search. And now we are going to type in our second drug a second concept, sorry, and that will be amlodipine. So you type in, or you start to type it in, suggestions will appear, you can click on it and click on add again. Search. There's your results. Now you can go back to your advanced search. So click on advanced again. And if you scroll down a bit, so at the bottom of the screen, you will see there's your free concepts that you searched. But now you need to combine these sets to do your search. So firstly, we're going to combine our two drugs, and we combine it with all. Why? Because we wanted either the one or the other one with our heart disease. So first, we're going to click on number 2. That's our first drug. Click on the three dots and click on Add Query. And can you see in the query box, there's your first concept. Now click on the third one. Again, click on the three dots, and now we're going to add it with or. So add with or. And you will see there's our search with or, and click on search. Click on search. And now there's your results. So meaning both of the concepts will be in your search, or either the one or the other one. So click on advanced again to go back. So see search history. So, and can you see there's our search now combined with or. Now we want to combine it with our heart disease. So once again, go back to the history and click on number 1, our heart diseases, the little drop down, three dots. Click on add query. You'll see it in the query box. And on number 4, click on add with and. Remember, we want both of our terms in our article. So click on and click on search. And there's our results. As you can see, it's still quite a lot. So in PubMed, you can apply filters to further narrow down our results to a reasonable amount to work through. So the most important filters that we're going to use is years, last 5 or last 10 years, it all depending on our topic, the species, humans, so it all depends, are you looking for something in rats or not, but mostly it will be humans, language, English. And this is an international database and covers all languages. So, and in the case of an EBM, evidence-based medicine search, you will limit it to randomized controlled trials. So all the filters will be on your left over here. So as you can see, there's your article type, if it's EBM. Then there's publication date, there's language, and there's quite a lot more. So for now, we are going to do randomized controlled trials just to show you. So tick randomized the little checkbox, and you will see it's now blue. And once it's in blue, it's applied to your search, and you can see filters applied, and there's your randomized control trial. And there's only 45 now results. So if you scroll down, you can limit it to 5 years, and you can limit it to humans. So please remember, it must be highlighted in blue for the filters to be applied to your search. And if you cannot see your filter, you can go to additional filters and then you can choose it from there. So we still have 45 results, and we've limited it now to English, 5 years, and randomized controlled trials. So there's our results. The next step is for you to see the abstract, to read through the abstract and to get a good summarized content. So our abstract displays the background, methods used, results, conclusion, and so on. So the steps to follow. Scroll up, you will see this display options. So click on summary and choose abstract. And you can also sort it by best match, and you can also choose how many articles you want. 50, 100, it all depends. Now you can see there's your abstract, and important with that, with your abstract, if you scroll down and it's on abstract mode, any article that a library subscribed to, you will see a link to go directly to that article from PubMed. So now we're going to select the ones that's relevant for us. So click the little check boxes, and now we're going to email it to ourselves or to yourself. So you click on email on top, and you just complete the details. So it's very important, and that's why you must register and log in. Otherwise, you cannot email these results to yourself. So fill in the detail and please make sure that it's abstract, and then you can just simply. So with our all field search, we're going to search waste management in hospitals. So we type in waste management and click on add. And then type in hospitals and click on add with and then search. And then you will see your results, and you can use the limiter, the same as with the mesh search. So if you go back to advanced and you scroll down, you will see your search history. So you can just copy and paste or screenshot your search history, and you have it for further reference. So you can also delete some of your sets. So you can delete one set only. Once again, you can click on the three dots and you can click on delete, or you can delete the complete search history and then you click on delete, and it first prompt you by are you sure you want to delete this, and just confirm, and then you delete it. So, and as I said, to add your search to your assignment, make a print screen of the history search details and paste it in a Word document. Thank you and happy searching.